Everyone, ito kayo sa Tagaytay City to film a 319 square meters property. It's a pre-owned house with a floor area of 250 square meters across 2 levels. It has 3 bedrooms and a very spacious lawn area. Of course, dito po siya located sa loob ng subdivision dito sa Tagaytay City na malapit sa Balay Dako. So as you can see, this is the facade of the property and ganito yung ganda ng ating paligid. Ayan. Okay, may wide roads at malapit siya sa guardhouse. That's the guardhouse, guys. So this property is selling in the market for 17 million pesos. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Now let's start the house tour. Let's go. Right, so as you can see the facade, so you have a 2-car garage, and then you have greens. Of course, you have a palm tree, and meron kang storage room doon sa likod. So for my evaluation and assessment, so ito yung bahay na to. So medyo nasa fair market value siya, within the area, because the comparables dito sa area, maganda ang comparables dito sa area na to. So for me, konting enhancement and improvement, but the location itself, napakalapit ito going to the restaurants, Starbucks, and then sa lahat ng mga major destinations. Malapit siya sa Forum Mall, malapit sa lahat na schools, hospitals, and markets. And of course, sa touristic area, maganda elevation. It's almost 600 meters above sea level, kaya malamig. Ang ganda dito guys. Ito yung problema dito sa Tagaytay, yung weather na malamig. Alright. So over here, you have the green and then a pathways all the way to the back. Ayan, so the house is detached with a floor area of 250 square meters. Right. So it's a pre-owned property. So maganda siya i-invest din, as your vacation house here in Tagaytay City. Ayan. Look. From the street, ayan yung pinakabahay natin at paligid. Now, this is the main entrance. So you have a doorbell over here. And then the main entrance. The living room. So this is a fully furnished. Now, anything you see stays. So you have the living area, stairs all the way to the second floor. And then over here, you have green and a double high ceiling with a fixed glass and a chandelier. So ito yung rooms all the way to the second floor. So this is the living area, and you have a lanai which is here, pero may fixed glass siya. So pwede siyang coffee table, coffee area by the way. Ayan. Then you have the hallway. Ayan, ang ganda nung kanilang mga upuan, Ang ganda, di ba? Simple lang, This is a vacation house. And mag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Now, over here, your bar area and your kitchen space. This is your kitchen area and a bar area. So you have a very long kitchen and a bar space. You have sliding glass doors. Ang ganda ng interior lang po ang kulang dito guys, aesthetics lang. Pero the structural and then the floor finish, ayan, maganda yung floor tiles. So your kitchen and then a side door. Of course, you have a cabinet, overhead storage. Look at that. Okay, nice, diba? So very spacious. Ganito yung ating view, right? Kitchen and then the dining area. Of course, mula dito sa pinakalanay, you have like 4 meters away sa perimeter wall. Then over here, you have the staff room with a kitchen and then the water tank. Yan siya. So since the location ay maganda, no? Maganda ang comparables no, dito sa area na to. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Right. So as vacation house or a house that can be like a family or vacation house, ayan. Pwedeng-pwede ito guys, no? Stairs all the way to the second floor. And then right here you have 3 rooms and a 2 bathroom. So you have a family area. Right. So you have a flat screen TV which is dun sa baba. And then a fixed window. Plus a front balcony. Right, this is the front balcony. Right, look at that. Okay. They have green over here. Right, ganito siya. So, tama-tama din siyang vacation house. Again, thank you so much to the seller for giving us the right to sell, no, to film their property. Then you have your hallway and then the family area. Look. Okay, over here, the first bedroom. Alright, this is the first bedroom with a cabinet. Okay, very spacious. Of course, nice yung kanyang bed and then with the aircon. And with the storage. Yan siya guys. Then dito sa side na to, you have a shower room, your wash area, and a water closet. Shower, which is here.
You got the kick.
And the water closet with bidet. Look at that. Then this is the second bedroom. So, meron kang Jack and Jill bathroom. So, ganito siya with the aircon. Look. Alright. Then, hallway, which is over here. And then, you have a window. Then, right here, the master bedroom area. So dito, you have a cabinet. And then, a very nice bed with a shower. With aircon. Of course, minimalist. Right, ganito yung ating magiging bahay. Ayan. Diba? Napakalapit lang nito going to Balay Dako. So if you're interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. Ayan. And then you have a shower room, which is here. Yeah, so you have a wash area with a water closet with bidet. So for me, kailangan lang to siyang refurbish. But the location, ang ganda ng finite ang location. Ang ganda ng location ng property. So this is the bathroom ng master bedroom. Look. Right. Okay. Balik tayo doon sa pinakababa, guys. Ayan, kaya siya. Storage and the cabinets. And then the hallway area. Right. So this property is located inside a well-gated subdivision. Okay, so bababa tayo to give you the recap of this property for sale. Alright guys, now we're done. Again, thank you so much to the seller for giving us the exclusive right to sell. To film ito pong kanilang property with a total 319 square meters and floor area of 250 square meters across 2 levels by the way. So with a 3-bedroom and staff room, 2-car garage. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. My name is Ray. Thank you so much guys and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.